Are we ready to start our International Day event? So welcome to JoyKids International Day event 2018.
I think today was a really good opportunity to know about the world for children.
So we like this event very much because it is important not for us only but for our kids.
Saw a lot of cultures, a lot of traditions. We saw the kids perform and it was so awesome.
It gives the kids a lot of perspective about what's happening around the world.
Very exciting because I really like sharing stuff with other people and then they know other information about our country.
And today's event was a perfect example because we had so much energy and so much beauty and color and sparkle.
Kita sayang kamu.
Дякуємо JoyKids за можливість показати нашу Україну.
And then, thank you very much for this great event.
Thank you. Thank you.
We love you.
Echo Famio.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Thank you for a great day. Happy International Day. Woo!
Thank you everybody for making this such a good International Day.